Hey there, future financial wizards. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will transform the way you see the world of business? Welcome to the exciting world of accounting, where numbers tell stories and every dollar has a tale to tell. It's a realm where precision meets creativity and where your analytical skills can shine. I know what you're thinking. Accounting? That sounds about as fun as a root canal. But hold on, before you jump to conclusions, let me show you the magic behind the numbers. But trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. In fact, accounting is like solving a puzzle where every piece has its place. And once you see the big picture, it all makes sense. In fact, once you get the hang of it, accounting can be downright fascinating. Imagine being the detective who uncovers the financial health of a company, or the architect who builds a solid financial foundation. Think of accounting as the language of business. Just like learning a new language opens up new worlds, understanding accounting opens up the world of business. Just like you need to know the alphabet to read, you need to understand the basics of accounting to grasp the financial health of a business. It's the foundation upon which all business decisions are made. And that's where our friend Alice comes in. Alice is not just a name, it's a powerful tool that will help you navigate the world of accounting with ease. ALICE is an acronym that stands for Assets, Liabilities, Income, Capital, and Expenses, the 5 key elements of accounting. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in understanding the financial landscape. These elements are like the building blocks of a financial statement, and once you understand them, you'll be able to read and interpret financial data like a pro. Don't worry, we'll break down each element of ALICE in a way that's easy to understand, even if you've never looked at a balance sheet in your life. We'll take it step by step, making sure you grasp each concept before moving on. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to mastering the basics of accounting and speaking the language of business like a pro. You'll be able to analyze financial statements, make informed decisions, and even impress your colleagues with your newfound knowledge. So, let's dive in. Get ready to unlock the secrets of accounting and discover how it can be a powerful tool in your professional toolkit. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Remember Alice? No, not the one who fell down the rabbit hole. This Alice is your golden ticket to understanding the financial world. Let's break it down. A is for assets, what you own. Think of your car, your house, or even that fancy espresso machine you've been eyeing. These are all assets because they are things you own and can potentially sell for cash if needed. L is for liabilities, what you owe. Student loans got you down, credit card bill giving you nightmares. These are liabilities, the debts and obligations you need to pay off. Those are liabilities, my friend. They represent the money you owe to others. I is for income, what you earn. Your paycheck, that side hustle you're rocking, or even winning the lottery. Fingers crossed. Income is the money you bring in from various sources. C is for capital, your investment in the business. Think of it as the seed money you planted to help your business grow. Capital is the money you invest to generate more income. E is for expenses, what you spend. Rent, groceries, that daily latte fix, it all adds up. Expenses are the costs you incur to live and run your business. See? Not so scary, right? Understanding these basic concepts can make managing your finances a lot easier. ALICE is just a simple way to remember the building blocks of accounting. Now, let's imagine you're running a bakery because who doesn't love the smell of freshly baked bread? We'll use this delicious example to understand how ALICE works in the real world. From the ingredients you buy, expenses, to the money you make from selling bread, income, and the equipment you own, assets, ALICE helps you keep track of it all. So whether you're a baker or a business mogul, ALICE is your new best friend in finance. Let's talk about the good stuff assets. Assets are the backbone of your business, the things that make it all possible. In our bakery example, assets are everything your business owns that has value. They are the essential components that keep your operations running smoothly and efficiently. Tangible assets. These are things you can actually touch. They are the physical items that you can see and feel. Think ovens to bake those delicious cakes, the mixers that blend your ingredients to perfection, the cash register ringing up sales, and the display cases showcasing your mouth-watering pastries. And don't forget the delivery van that spreads the aroma of your pastries all over town, ensuring your delicious creations reach your customers. Intangible assets. These are things you can't physically touch but still hold value. They are the non-physical elements that contribute to your business's success. This could be your bakery's awesome brand name that everyone recognizes, the reputation you've built over the years, the secret recipe for your grandma's famous cookies, or the unique techniques that set your bakery apart from the competition. Or even the loyal customer base you've built up, the people who keep coming back for more because they love what you offer. Remember, assets are key to keeping your bakery running smoothly and baking up those profits. They are the foundation upon which your business thrives and grows. Okay, now for the less fun part, liabilities. Liabilities are essentially the debts or obligations your business owes to others. Think about that loan you took to open your bakery. Gotta pay that back, right? That's a liability. What about the ingredients you bought on credit from your supplier? Liability. Even those employee wages you owe at the end of the month. You guessed it, liabilities. Managing liabilities is crucial, because if you don't keep track of what you owe, those debts can pile up faster than you can say sourdough. Section 5. Income, what you earn. Now for the sweet stuff, income. Income is the money your bakery earns from selling its delicious treats. This could be from sales. Every croissant, cake, and loaf of bread sold adds to your income. Cha-ching, services. Maybe you offer cake decorating classes or catering for special events. That's income too. Basically, any money coming into your bakery is considered income. Keep those ovens baking and the income flowing. Section 6. Capital, your investment. Capital is the initial investment you, the bakery owner, put into your business to get it up and running. It's the dough that helps you make more dough. This could be the money you use to buy your initial equipment, rent the space, or even hire your first pastry chef. Capital can also come from investors who believe in your bakery's potential and want a slice of the pie, pun intended. Capital represents your stake in the business and is a crucial factor in its financial health. Section 7. Expenses, what you spend. Expenses are the costs your bakery incurs to keep the lights on and the ovens hot. Think rent for your bakery space, ingredients like flour and sugar, and utilities like electricity and water. Don't forget about employee wages and marketing costs to attract more customers. Managing expenses is crucial because, let's face it, you can't make delicious profits if you're spending more dough than you're bringing in. Section 8. Alice in action. Putting it all together. Congratulations, you made it. You now understand the fabulous 5 of accounting: assets, liabilities, income, capital, and expenses. See? Alice isn't so scary after all. By keeping track of these elements, you can get a clear picture of your bakery's financial health. Is your income exceeding your expenses? Great, you're making a profit. Are your liabilities piling up faster than dirty dishes? Time to reassess and make some changes. Remember, Alice is your trusty sidekick in the world of accounting. Keep her close, and you'll be well on your way to financial success.